Every step hurts. You know you need a hip replacement, but the $40,000 price tag is crippling. I didn't want a dusty border clinic. I wanted a real hospital in a real city. That's why I chose Guadalajara. Welcome to Guadalajara, the Silicon Valley of Mexico, and a powerhouse for orthopedic excellence. Guadalajara is Mexico's medical hub with elite hospitals, international standard surgeons, and US-compatible implants. It's safe, cosmopolitan, and easily accessible with direct flights from major cities. Anterior hip replacement spares muscle, allowing faster recovery and less pain. Highly sought after in the US, but at a premium price. Replace both hips in 1 or 2 sessions. Maximize travel value and solve mobility issues once and for all. Resurfacing preserves bone or fixes previous surgeries. Ideal for younger or revision patients. Guadalajara, hip replacements cost $12,500 to $14,500. Packages include FDA-approved implants, hospital stay, recovery house, post-op physical therapy, and airport transfers. That's 70% less than US prices with the same world-class safety standards. These Guadalajara surgeons combine technical expertise with high-touch care, ensuring safe and efficient recovery for international patients. Recovery isn't lonely. Many patients stay in specialized recovery houses with 24/7 nursing. Guadalajara's mild climate and comfortable facilities create the perfect environment for healing joints. Reclaim your mobility. The only thing you have to lose is the pain. Visit PlacidWay Medical Tourism to get a free quote and connect you with a trusted clinic in Guadalajara, Mexico.